you know? Eating too much sugar can damage your liver, just like drinking too much alcohol. Here's what you need to know. Prohibited liver and sugar. The liver is the only organ that handles sugar, fructose. When we eat too much sugar, the liver converts it into fat that wraps itself around the liver. Stethoscope, the hidden enemy. 1 in 3 people in the US and developed countries has fatty liver disease without even realizing it. In particular, the liver has no pain nerves. By the time we realize it's sick, the liver may have reached the stage of inflammation or scarring. Lightbulb, what should we do? 1. 14-day sugar break. Try to reduce or stop eating sugary drinks and sweets to give the liver a chance to rest. 2. Blood test. When you go for a checkup, don't forget to ask your doctor about your liver enzyme levels, ALT and AST. Early detection can save your liver. Sparkle's small changes today can save your life tomorrow. Share with your loved ones who like to eat sweets but don't drink alcohol, so they know, and be careful. Red Heart.